Hello friends, welcome back to the AIBot channel. So today we are going to learn how to download Pi apps inside the Pi OS and how to install it. So for downloading and installing, you have to open your uh, your Chromium web browser. So you have to single click on a web browser. After clicking on a web browser, you have to type Pi apps and press enter. After pressing enter, the first link is appear which is piapps.io. You have to click on piapps.io. After clicking on it, you have to click on install. After clicking on install, you have to copy this first command installing Pi apps as a simple running. This one command is terminal in a terminal. So you have to copy this command. After copying this command, you have to click on the terminal, and in terminal simply you just paste it from here and also press the shift Fn and print screen button. It will paste the whole copied content. After that you have to click on enter, and after clicking on enter the application will start installing. Let's wait for the installing of this application. So now the installation is complete for Pi apps. Now let's see where it is. So you can find the Pi apps on the desktop of the Raspberry Pi. So from Pi apps, you can you can download and install the many more applications there. These are the different verticals like appearance. For appearance, you can download these applications. For games, we can download the Line Rider, the Minecraft, the Pac-Man, the Pi Chess. There are so many games, different games. You can download. Just you have to for downloading. You have to click on a application, and after that install. So thank you so much. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.